Hello and welcome. Today we are going to solve simultaneous equations with three unknowns. First of all, let me clarify these things to you. This is only for Extension 1 students, not for advanced. Okay. Now, the question is, now because we are talking about three unknowns, that means we need three equations. So you will be given three equations. You have to find the three unknowns. Okay. So I'll start with the question. Solve simultaneously. A plus B plus C is 0, call this as 1. A minus B plus C is minus 4, call this as 2. And the third equation is 2A minus 3B minus C equal to minus 1, call this as 3. Okay, now here substitution method in this particular question, we cannot do anything like that. So the only option we have is elimination method. Okay, so we have three letters to eliminate. Now we really have to reduce the working by choosing the appropriate pronumeral to eliminate. I think you have to look at the coefficients first. When you look at the coefficients of A, now the first one has 1, the second one has 1, the third one has 2. Now if I want to eliminate, maybe I have to use, like you can do that, but you have to do extra steps. Now with B, the same. Whereas when you look at the coefficients of C, one has 1C, the other one is also plus 1C, the third one is minus C. If I combine 1 and 3 and 2 and 3, C will disappear. Okay, so that's what I'm going to choose. So I'm going to eliminate C. I'm doing eliminating C first. Okay, I'll see how I'm going to do that. Eliminate C. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. How I'm going to do is, this is so straightforward. I'm going to write question 1 and 2. If I add 1 and 2, I think I'm going to take 1 and 3. It makes my life easier. Because I'm going to do eliminating C. I'm writing 1 first. Because I'm just going to write it because it's too many letters. You may get confused. So I'm writing the equation again. I'm going to take 1 and 3. So 1 is A plus B plus C is 0. 3 is 2A minus 3B minus C is minus 1. So this is my 1, this is my 3. So if I do that, now what happened in the next line is I'm doing element 1 and 3. So adding 1 and 3. If I add 1 and 3, I know the C component will disappear. So when I do that, I'm going to have 2A plus 2A, which is 3A. And then B minus 3B is minus 2B. C will disappear. You're adding, it is minus 1. I'm going to call this equation as, because I've done 1, 2, 3, so I'm going to call this as 4. You have to remember the numbers you've given. Now what I'm going to do is, still I have to eliminate C, but this time I'm going to take 2 and 3. So I'm going to rewrite 2 and 3. So I'm going to rewrite 2 and 3. So 2 is A minus B plus C equal to minus 4, and 3 is 2A minus 3B minus C equal to minus 1. So this equation is 2, this equation is 3. So now what I'm doing is I'm adding equation 2 and equation 3. That gives me, I'm adding, so A plus 2A becomes 3A. I'm adding minus 1b minus 3b becomes minus 4b equal to minus 5. And this is now my equation number 5. Okay, so at this stage what I'm going to do is, I'm going to look at this equation. That's the one, without C, and this equation without C. So I'm just going to write 4 and 5 so that we'll see what to do. I'm writing 4 and 5. My 4 is 3A minus 2B equal to minus 1. This is my 4, and 5 is 3A minus 4B equal to minus 5. So I'm going to number them correctly. So this is equation number 4. This is equation number 5. We have eliminated C. Now I think at this stage, you can eliminate A easily by just subtracting. because you know this both has 3a, 3a. If I take one from the other, the a will disappear. So what I'm doing now is equation 4 take away equation 5 gives me. Okay, so what does it give me? 3a minus 3a disappear. Minus 2 minus of minus 4 becomes 2b. And that equal to minus 1 minus of minus 5, which becomes 4. Then that gives you the answer of b equal to 2. Okay, so we have b equal to 2, the first answer. I'm just going to call them as 6. Okay, now I have to find, see from here I can't go straight to C, but I have to find A first. So I'm going to use this B in one of the equation, either 4 or 5, both are similar. So probably if I use sub B equal to 2 into equation 4. So what happened is equation 4 is 3, first I write equation 4, 3a minus 2b equal to minus 1, I'm writing 4. So if I sub in, I'm going to sub b equal to 2. So 3a minus 2 times 2 equal to minus 1, or 3a minus 4 is minus 1, or 3a equal to 3, or a equal to 1. Okay, so this is what I have for a. So a equal to 1. Okay, so this is my equation 7, because sometimes instead of writing this I can write numbers as well. Okay, so now we got a and b. Now we have to find c. I think the first question is the easiest to sub in. So I'm going to write equation 1 again. Equation 1 is a plus b plus c equal to 0. This is equation 1. Okay, so now I have to find actually c. So I'm going to sub, this is my 1. So what I'm doing is I'm going to sub a equal to 1 and b equal to 2 into equation 1. Okay, so if I do that, so what do I get is 1 plus 2 plus c equal to 0, or 3 plus c is 0, or c equal to minus 3. Okay, so now we have all the 3 values. Okay, 3 values of the pronumerals. So the solutions are a equal to 1, b